It's the OGAT and the SH at Snow Crest Lodge in Mount Baldy, California. Cabin number 20. And over here is the owner's cabin. And there is SH right there having a seat, waving. Fire pit, barbecue, firewood. Scraps, we got firewood too. And the mighty OGAT mobile came up in sport mode. Had no problem. He had liked it and wanted to go fast. Else. Which way do you want to go? The sacrificial table. Yes, we're wondering what the altar is all about. Benches are all made with wood from up here. Oh, here's your sunbathing deck.
See, this is another track.
Could be. It's like,
sit down in there and drinking wine.
could be. For Thomas to do wine tastings. Something's going to be here. It's got fire pit gassed in here. This will be the s'more zone. And over there, where the noise is coming from, is Manker Flats Campground. This is Manker Flats.
You go ahead.
And this is the lodge itself, the Snow Crest Lodge. This back area, I believe, is where the kitchen is. Can you peek? No, I don't think this is the kitchen. That's not big enough. It might be. It might be the kitchen. Because this is all new. Oh yeah, there's the world famous pool. We can't wait for it to get open. The pool. The lodge. This is all new. I haven't seen him post anything about this in between. These are going to assume these are gas. And this is going to be water. And there you go. You can book now. Cabins are available.
I heard somebody down there.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
We're good.
Did you guys just get here or are you leaving?
No, we just got here.
Okay.
We're in number 20.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought so.
We just arrived, so we're checking out all the Jay's handiwork,
Oh my
or all your
gosh.
handiwork.
And every decision that you see is Jay's.
Needs to. So much stuff. So much work.
It's gonna be cool though. Wow, look at the old cocktails. It's cool. It's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be cool too.
The lodge. Breaking the lodge. Breaking the lodge. It's the OGAT in Mount Baldy. Need help? 5 years been working on this project. Gosh. All the work. Millions and millions of dollars. See? Oh, and here comes Ricky Racer. Manker Flats. See, they've got the grills, so no grilling. Kevin, number 20. I think it's telephone pole. Wire was in the same spot last time we were here. 5 years ago. Should we come down and sit here to have our, or sit inside?
I could sit here. Is that okay?
Yeah. Well, it's the OGAT and the SH. Ooh, too bad this thing doesn't have smell-o-vision. There it is, the OGAT mobile and the SH. Yeah. Stinking up the neighborhood. Gonna do some eggs and have some breakfast. We got some coffee, of course. Mom is doing domestic duties. All right, let's get back to cooking. Pretty amazing what Mr. Jay Pocock has done with the Snow Crest Lodge.